everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to make butter cookies. I think the butter cookies, you able to use this cookie to make like a special gifts for the festive season. This cookie so easy, simple and glorious. And then you can do the lovely packagings and share the gifts to the people who you love. These butter cookies, not many ingredients. What you need flour, butter and sugar. And I use two types of sugar. I use icing sugar and caster sugar. And put a little bit milk and vanilla extract and salt to bring up the flavor. I start to beat the butter. I use the chew butter and start beat butter until perform creamy and smooth. And then after that, I just mix the icing sugar and caster sugar together and add into the butter and beat until the butter and the sugar are incorporated and become the creamy. And then after that, add the wet ingredients. I add the milk and vanilla extract. And then beat until they will combine. So in my flour, I add a little bit salt and I add the flour into butter, but I sip the flour into the butter mixture. And I start to beat with the low speed first, and then after that just like turn the speed up into medium speed, and take around a couple minutes or until the your batter incorporated and will combine. I use the piping bags and piping tips to shape my cookies. If you don't have the piping kits like this, that's okay. You can use a teaspoon to measure the batter and then roll the batter like a ball shape, and then place a little bit and then lie it on the baking paper. That's okay. I chill the cookies in the fridge for about 15 minutes and preheat the oven at 180. I bake the cookie for about 10 to 12 minutes or until cookie edges become light golden. think it's beautiful that you give a gift which you make from your heart to the people who you love. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like to look at the recipe, please feel free to visit my website comfycozykitchen.com. And guys, I wish from my heart if you have the best Christmas and New Year ever. So have a good holidays. See you next year. Bye.